Egusi soup that is sweet, it is from the look of it that you will know, like from the eyes of it. When you just look at it, you just know that this egusi soup, it will be sweet, because egusi soup is one soup that cannot hide in looks. If it is not fine, it will not sweet. Let me show you how to make this one. But before we begin, I'll tell you that if you have time on your hands and you have between the frying method and the boiling method to choose from, please just choose the frying method. Quick, don't even hesitate. I love the boiling method, but when I have time in my hands, I always run for the frying method. And times without number, I've compared the two, and frying method is always the bomb. So I'm going to start by boiling your protein. For this boiling, I use some pepper, some seasoning powder, and some onions. I did not do anything serious. I steamed in its own juice for about 10 minutes before I opened it, added more water, and covered to allow to cook till tender. Now, while that is happening, in another pot, you are going to add in your palm oil and your onions. Now, if you use locust beans to cook, please, this is the point to add it. Then you can add your crayfish at this point too. I forgot. Then I'm going to add in your pepper mix. Now, this is just peppers and tatashi and shombo, nothing serious. Stir this to fry a little. Then you're going to add in your egusi paste. This paste consists of just ground egusi with meat stock from my meat that I was boiling. I just mixed it to a paste and added it in, covered it and allowed it to cook for a while. Then I now opened it and stirred it a little bit. Now the goal is to fry it until it has started scattering. So you fry it in that oil till the water has dried up. That's the only way it can start scattering. Okay, now when it is done scattering, you are now going to add in your meat, the protein you boiled. Add everything plus the meat stock. Please, at this point, you need to control the meat stock, because it depends on how much water you like in your soup. Honestly, I don't like thick soup, but maybe on this day I was trying to feel among. If you like thick soups, please, little water. If you like watery soup, you can add as much water as possible. Okay, they are now going to add in your crayfish and your palm oil. I told you that I forgot to add crayfish at the beginning, but this adding that I added at this point, the way it banged. You can also adjust seasoning if the one for your meat stock was not enough. They are now going to cover it and allow it to cook a little, not too much, just a little. They are going to finish up with some ugu leaves or some bitter leaves or anything. I used ugu leaves and some bitter leaves because I had bitter leaf at home. It's not like I used to use bitter leaf on a normal day. And that's it. Your egusi soup is ready. I'm telling you, egusi soup that is sweet, it is from the look of it that you will know. If you look at an egusi soup, you just know that it is sweet. So people should try this recipe and come back and tell me how it goes. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.